In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clickable hyperlink in a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This process is straightforward and a fantastic way to make your documents more interactive and user-friendly. Whether you want to link to a website, another part of the same PDF, or even another document, Adobe Acrobat makes it easy. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once you have your document open, you'll need to navigate to the Tools section. You can find this in the top menu. Click on it, and then select Edit PDF from the drop-down menu. This action will open up a new toolbar specifically designed for editing PDFs, providing you with all the necessary tools you'll need for this task. Now that you're in the Edit PDF toolbar, you'll want to focus on adding a hyperlink, which is easily done by clicking on Link and then choosing Add or Edit. You'll notice that your cursor has now changed to a crosshair. This is your cue to drag and draw a rectangle over the text or image area you want to become clickable. Take your time to ensure that the rectangle covers just the right amount of space for your link. Once you've highlighted your chosen area, a Create Link dialog box will appear. Within this box, you'll need to make some decisions about how you want your link to look. You can choose an invisible rectangle if you prefer not to have a visible box around your linked area, or you can opt for a visible link by picking a line, color, thickness, and style that suits your document's look and feel. Making these choices allows your PDF to remain visually cohesive while ensuring the link is functional. Next up, you'll decide on the link action. If you're linking to a website, select Open a Web Page. Alternatively, you can link to another page within the same PDF or even a separate file. After selecting your desired action, click Next, and you'll be prompted to enter the URL. Make sure to type in the full web address, like https example.com, and then click OK to confirm. If you find that you need to modify your link after you've created it, you can easily do so by returning to the Edit PDF toolbar, selecting Link, and then Add or Edit. Right-click on the existing link area and click Properties. This will allow you to alter the appearance, the action, or any other settings related to your hyperlink. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Simply navigate to File, select Save, and your links will be preserved within your PDF. With your document now equipped with clickable links, it's ready to be shared and interacted with. And there you have it. A simple, effective way to enhance your PDFs with hyperlinks using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC.